kasya. Hindi kasya.
From the initial volunteers of 6 officers and 230 enlisted personnel, Bay was the highest tradition of the law.
Rap sa kaliwa! Rap!
To formally open today's event, may we call on Command Sergeant Major Chief Master Sergeant Romel V. Carbon, Philippine Navy Marines, for his opening remarks.
The revised Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lieutenant General G. Villarida, Philippine Navy Marines, sir. Our Commandant of the Philippine Marine Corps, Major General Vicente Mac Blanco III, Philippine Navy Marines, sir. Other officers aboard, former commandants of the Philippine Marine Corps, senior enlisted leaders, former command sergeants major, all Marine veterans aboard, other enlisted personnel, civilian human resource guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with profound respect and heartfelt gratitude that I, as the Command Sergeant Major of the Philippine Marine Corps, welcome you to this year's Marine Veteran.
The reaffirmation of Marine Oath.